Today is a Thursday in Stockholm and there isn't a free walking tour available. We found one online which says self-guided walking tour. So it said start with Stockholm Central Station. I think it's been here around 150 years. And then the next stop is this cathedral church, Clara Church. So we'll go in and have a look at that. This church was started in 1572 and finished in 1590, and there was restoration in the 1800s. It's the first day of June here, but it's still freezing cold. We've made it to our third stop on our self-guided walking tour of City Hall in Stockholm. The City Hall was completed in 1923 and it showcases architectural designs from the Nordic and the Italian styles. You can go up to the top of the tower, which is like 106 meters tall. There is a lift, but it only goes halfway up. The rest you have to do by stairs. And it's a nice place to come and sit down and relax. A lot of people are doing just that. Our next few stops are right across the river over there, and we're gonna walk on this bridge and make our way to go see the sights here. This really is so good. There is a whole pedestrian bridge next to the train bridge, and there is a car bridge on the other side of that, and there is a pedestrian and cycle bridge just there, so you don't have to mix with traffic, you can just enjoy the scene. And there is a little bit of a space further up where you can sit down. And that's the building we're going to go see. There are in fact 2 seating spaces in this short bridge. This building was constructed between 1882 and 1891, and this building derives its name from Swedish publishing house, and it was constructed by Swedish architect Magnus something. I don't think it's something you'd be able to go inside. There's a great view of the city hall from this side of the river as well. This is the Virgil Jar Tower, and it was built as a defensive structure. As cold as Sweden, Stockholm generally gets, they seem to have created a lot of outdoor seating spaces, cycling, where people can come and be very active. This is the Wrangel Palace, and it was built as a part of the old fortification, but it was town house, and it became the home for Carl Gustaf and his family. And in present day it is a court of appeal, so it's not a palace or a home anymore. It's used by the government. This is our stop number 7, stop number 6, and stop number 7 is right next to this. This is the best preserved residence in Stockholm. It was built by Frederick Stanbock in 1940s, 1640s. Sorry, it was built in 1640s, and over here they have a coat of arms on top of the porch of the family, and in 17th century was rebuilt in the Baroque style, but currently it's part of the Courts of Appeal, Sweden's Court of Appeal. This building this building is again part of the Sweden Court of Appeal, and it's a government building now. Right next to these 2 government buildings is our next stop, which is the Riddarholm Church, and for 600 years it was the burial ground for the Swedish monarchy. We'll go inside and have a closer look. Unfortunately, the entrances to the church are not open, so we can't go and see inside. So we'll just have to see it from outside. Our next stop is just across the road from the church, and it's Ridda House, and it is a house for nobility, and even now it's used by the nobility to have meetings and all that. So I suppose this is another one of those buildings that you can't really go in. The church, in fact, you can go in, but there is a 60 krona entrance fee, which is not very expensive to go see, but at the moment we were very tired and I have a very bad stomach pain, so we're not going in there. But this one you can see from outside. This is Bond Palace, stop number 10 on our self-guided tour. I hope you've been keeping track of the numbers, but this is number 10. This is the other entrance of the nobility house. This palace was built for the treasurer, Gustav Bond, and since then it's had many uses. It was City Hall from 1730 to 1915. And it's been the home for Supreme Court since 1945. I think we've been walking around for quite a long while. Either we're going to pause the walking tour now or pick it up tomorrow. So I'll make it possibly a two-parter. So this has been stop number 10. So we'll see you for the next video. Bye.